Hi everyone, today I'm going to take you through a basic hand drill, and although I've called this video a basic hand drill, it can be done by intermediate players or advanced players. It just really depends how fast you want to go. Today I'm going to be doing it at 70 BPM, and of course I'm going to have a metronome on, and I encourage you guys to do that at home, or you can also join in with the video and play along with me. I'm just playing on my practice pad. Now you can do this at home on a practice pad, snare drum, a pillow, on the floor, on a chair, anything. Very easy. What we're going to do, we're going to run through some basic rudiments today. Single strokes, double strokes, single paradiddle, buzz rolls, flams and flam taps. I am going to start with a little bit of a warm-up, just doing 8 strokes per hand, then 4 strokes and then 2, and then we're going to get straight into the drill. So please join in, have fun, and I hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four strokes per hand. Two. Straight into the single stroke roll. Doubles. Going to go into a single paradiddle. Now I'm going to do some buzzes. Alternating flams. And finally, flam taps. So have fun, everyone. I hope you did well. Let me know how you go in the comments below. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. There'll be more of these videos coming up in the near future, and I'll also put the PDF at the bottom of the video so you can download the PDF and you can practice this at home and try and build up your speed. I'd also recommend, if you are an intermediate player, maybe try this at around 120 to 150 BPM. If you're an advanced player, then 150 to 200 BPM. Go for it. The world is your oyster. So as I said, although this is a basic hand drill, anyone can do this, and the challenge really is in the control and the speed. So have fun.